So I've inaugurated the, what do you call, the grill, the ceramic tandoor. I love this. I just love this. What's cooking in there? Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, so I have a steak in there. I got some smoke, like I'm smoking it. I got some wood in there. This is the one I have. I don't know if you can, yeah. So I put some of this along with the charcoal just to get the flavor. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm not going to say it's going to be awesome, but the flavor, I can tell, like with the flavor of the wood. And this is basic, I got from Walmart, you know, the charcoal fluid and the wood chips. It's pretty basic. What's not basic is the steak right here. It's premium. Steak is pretty premium, all right? So hopefully it turns out pretty good. Just throwing it away. Feel bad, but we'll check it out.
Here's the London Sunshine. This thing works beautiful. It's well made. Do a couple practice fires before you actually burn and cook your food, but it'll burn off anything that's inside during the manufacturing process. It works great. If you burn a couple fires first, you'll get used to how it burns. I got a chicken on there. I got some potatoes in foil. I'm gonna throw some corn on the cob in there. Oh, she'll fit. You know, it's a single cooker for one, for two. But yeah, this thing is phenomenal. Got some charcoal, smoke wood in there. Works beautiful. Love it. It's excellent. Keeps good temperature. So enjoy it. It's a well built, well value for the money. And enjoy it. Thank you.
Yeah, this is nice. Nice heavy duty hinge. And these are stainless fasteners. Lots of times they'll cheap out on the bolts. So because they'll, instead of making stainless steel, but the old magnet trick. Nothing. These have, they're not bad. Yeah. Of course, this is actually a heavier grill, stainless grill, which is nice. Nice.
Okay, let's see where we're at. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.